Hey, what's going on YouTube? In this video I'm going to show you how to make the inserts that go into this DIY parabolic dishes, or range boosters as they call them, from Banggood. Hey, what's going on YouTube? I wanted to make this video to let you know that I've made a mistake while testing these parabolic dishes from Banggood, or DIY range boosters is what they call them. And the reason why they call them DIY is because you have to do something yourself, do it yourself. And here's the part that I missed, right? The instructions clearly say when you purchase these, that you have to read about it, is that you need to take a soda can or a beer can, cut out, fits inside this parabolic dish, right? You can see that it has these slots right here, and that the 85 millimeters by 95 millimeters is what you need to cut. That equates to 3 inches and 11/32 by 3 inches and 3/4. So it's going to be 3 inches 3/4 to widthwise, and lengthwise is going to be 3 inches and 11/32. Okay, so that's what we're going to do in this video. We're going to get into how to make these DIY dishes work, because I was not fair to them. I tested them without the reflective material of these things, and you guys called me on it, and I'm so glad you did that, because it was my bonehead move that messed up that range test. And unfortunately, my FEMA's out of commission right now, so I can't go out and give these guys a second chance. But I am going to put together this video that shows how to do it, because it deserves that, because I gave it a bad rap, right? So yeah, that's what I wanted to do, is just get started. And so to do this, here's what I'm going to use, and I'll show you right here. I'm going to lower the camera, and I am going to use a nice little ruler. Okay, and then I'm going to use one of these kind of X-Acto knives that you can get from like Harbor Freight or places like that. And then I'm going to use electrical scissors and a pair of, like, you know, pretty good household scissors. Of course, we're going to need a soda can, and I'm going to use one of my wife's Dr. Pepper Diet Cherry Vanilla soda cans. And then of course we're going to use the parabolic dishes that I purchased. These are pretty cool dishes, and I am so glad you guys pointed out that I made a dumb mistake in not inserting that reflective material. And I thought that the reflective material came with the product, but no, you had to do this yourself, and hence the name DIY transmitters. All right, so let's get into the video part about cutting this can up right here and making it fit on the dish. All right, so let's jump into that part. All right. Little bit because I kind of dinged it a little bit, so you can see, but there it is. There's another little burr right there. Got it. So that, and then this piece then goes over it right there. Nice, right? So there you are, guys, and I'm going to be doing the same thing for the other side, but man, it's not bad. I mean, like I said, I put little dings, but that's expected. Not going to be perfect, but it is good enough. The other thing to consider is possibly using the HVAC tape that you get for the heating and air conditioning. Which I have plenty of in the garage, but I just want to do it the way they did it. So, there it is. Let's do the other half. So there you are, guys. I mean, just looks pretty nice. I really like them. You can see them right here. Let me adjust the camera here this way. There we go. Yeah, so not too bad. A couple little dings here from you know, trying to cut the cans without deforming it. That's the hardest part when you're going to do this one here. You're going to have to be careful when you cut it so you don't deform it. And also check these little grooves where the can slides up and down. Make sure they don't have any burrs on it. So one of the things that I noticed with this one here is that it's pretty heavy, and sometimes it causes the antenna to fall down. So, but they look pretty nice. I like it how they look, and I hope I can get my Femi up and running so I can try these again. But yeah, that is it for this. As usual, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you feel like supporting the channel, hit that subscribe button, guys. I appreciate you guys watching, and I hope this helps you guys. And I apologize for doing that range test without this reflective material, but as soon as I get a chance to do that again, I'll do it and post the results. Again, thanks for watching. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.